I want to show you how to download and install Canon Print app. Go to Play Store, select Play Store, select apps and search Canon Print app. 4.5 stars, 782K reviews, 500 million plus download. Select install. It's downloading. The app is installing. The app is installed. Then select open. This is Canon Print app. Select yes. So go to permissions, allow location, select allow. Then photo and camera, select allow. Nearby device, select nearby device, select allow. Then go back, then open the app. This is the app, add or switch to add a printer. So this is how to install Canon Print app. Thank you.